Hello. Hi. How are you? Um, may ginawa na akong video kanina. Kaso parang hindi ko siya kaya rin i-post. Kasi, hindi naman ako mag-busy. So, medyo meron siyang wardrobe malfunction ba tawag? Tsaka parang, medyo naimasmasan na ako. It's a long video. And it became a little bit personal sa beginning. Ayoko kasing masyadong maging personal about what I post here kasi wala naman kayong pake. Wala naman kayong pake sa life story ko. So, I'm assuming, I hope people who are watching are here for ideas or, some glimmer of hope. Ayan. So, anyway, I'm gonna talk about words that you use to people you care. I'm assuming whoever is watching na there's somebody in your life who is having troubles with their mind, the things going on in their mind. So it's that. The reason I have this video is for that. So I hope na you are mindful of the words that you use to advise loved ones. Some people na suffer from depression or some kind of a psychological disorder, we tend to be very, very sensitive. Like, most of us, literal. We take things literally. I don't know if may naririnig ka na, but there are times na when a person is really, really down, like if they are in this dark place inside their head, yun ang i-look out nyo. If your loved one is like there in that very dark place in their head. Ako, nangyari na yun sa akin. I was in a really, really dark place na feeling ko, I can do whatever. I can do whatever I feel like doing. Like, I have crossed the street on a green light before. Because my brain was like, bigla siya nag-shut down and everything was really quiet. And if there's anything na meron sa brain ko that time was to cross the street. So I did that. I crossed the street on a green light. Alam mo, it's so weird because usually, di ba, if tumawid ka ng nakago, people would honk at you. Or worst, mabangga ka. But that time, wala. Hindi ako binusinahan. The cars were ignoring me. Iniiwasan nila ako. But none of them ever honked at me. As if parang naging invisible din ako sa kanila. Tapos, parang time stood still. And yung mga cars na dumadaan, I couldn't see their figures kasi para silang whoosh. Alam niyo yung sa mga movies, yung pag time lapse ba yun? Time lapse ba tawag doon? Yung pag tumigil yung time, like yung sa Matrix, yung tumigil yung time, tapos everyone was standing still. And then, yung mga cars na dumadaan, parang blur na sila. Ganun. That happened. Anong ginawa ko? Bakit ko ginawa yon? Inutusan ako to do something. And yung output wasn't enough. And the person na pinagalitan ako, parang sinabi niya na yun na nga lang yung gagawin mo and hindi mo pa magawa. So that moment, parang I felt so worthless. And I just want to stop. I want the voices to stop. So I crossed. Siguro kasi feeling ko that time, siguro if I crossed, I was hoping mabangga ako. Then I don't have to hear any of the noises. So ito, a while ago, I had a breakdown. And alam nyo, when I don't know with other people, but ako kasi when I have a breakdown, I have a habit of telling people what's on my mind. Apparently, when I did that, I was condemned, apprehended. Basta hindi naging maganda yung reaction ng persons na nakarinig. And I should be mindful then that the people who I told about what's on my mind, they have their things, they have their own thing going on. And my bad na venting out those thoughts on them, hindi rin nakatulong sa kanila yun. Nakadagdag pa nga. Kaya lang kasi, who do I tell? I have to tell someone. I have to get it out of my mind. And if not them, who? Diba? Oh well. So, yun lang masasabi ko. If you have loved ones who you feel na are parang venting out on you, and you have this idea na may problema din naman ako, I hope na you understand na pag hindi nila kasi ginawa yun, baka they act upon their thoughts. And it's not malabong mangyari. It's like, you know the voices in our heads. Parang na-corner kami. Na-corner kami ng voices in our heads and we can't just escape them because it's in our heads. So what do we do? What do? I usually talk about it. I vent it out. Akala ko kasi okay lang. Akala ko kasi they would understand. Apparently, no. They didn't. And, alam mo, I'm paranoid. When you don't say things to me about, like, if you say something else, without telling them na, kasi ganito ka eh, ganito yung tingin ko sa'yo or what. Like, we'd rather you be straight at us than make us think. Ganyan. So anyway, somebody told me kasi na I should quiet down the voices in my head. And I was like thinking, alam niya kaya siya, aware kaya siya yung ina-ask niya sa akin. Kasi the only way I can quiet the voices in my head is to unalive myself. the very reason why Robin Williams did that or Anthony Bourdain did that, because it was the last resort to quiet down the voices in their heads. To say that to someone suffering from a psychological disorder is like telling them to jump off the bridge. So you have to choose your words. Siguro iniisip mo, ako din naman I'm going through something eh. Pero I'm not like, sane pa rin ako. I know na mali, I know ganyan. Good for you. Kasi for us, it's not that easy. So ngayon, I have to be mindful then of the words that I use. And I have to keep reminding myself na it's not my loved one's responsibility to understand me. It's not their responsibility to empathize with me. I am responsible for me. So, I'll just pray. Yung sinasabi niyo na yung mga tao like me who lacks prayer, actually, sobrang prayerful namin. Kasi we don't trust our own judgment. We don't. We can only trust God's judgment. We can't trust what's on our minds. So even if we have decisions, we tend to overthink. Kasi nga, wala nga kaming tiwala eh. Wala kaming tiwala sa iniisip namin. Kaya ayun, I know you mean well, and you still want to be able to help your loved ones. But please choose the words. Because not everyone can be like me. Ako, thankful ako na I'm able to talk to myself sometimes. Na siguro masyado lang talaga akong aware of what's going on in me. Pero it doesn't mean na I'm not strong. I mean, I can break down. I can melt down. But yeah, no. Siguro if you guys have any feeling na you just want to empty your thoughts without really acting upon what you're thinking, but you just feel the need to voice it out, you guys can message me. You know, I'm a stroke survivor and I have a very short attention span. So, maalala ko lang yung sinabi niya sa akin siguro after a week and then it's gone. Parang ano yung brain ko eh, parang siyang Bermuda Triangle. Yung information goes in and then it disappears. It's like that. So, yun. I hope we all have a great life. Remember, it's just a bad day, not a bad life. Okay? Take care.